Looking for something to do this weekend? Broward County Parks has you covered. Here are some activities to keep you entertained. If you're looking for a dog-friendly activity this weekend, you're barking up the right tree. On Saturday and Sunday from 8 a.m. to 3:50 p.m., Barktoberfest returns to Quiet Waters Park in Deerfield Beach. Let your pooches get wet and wild in the park's Splash Adventure Water Park for a fee of $5 per dog. Could you survive on a tropical island? What would you eat? Could you start a fire or turn seawater into drinking water? Come learn basic survivor skills with naturalists and compete in some fun challenges at Survivor Island at Deerfield Island Park. Bring your whole tribe or join one on this island adventure. Arrive early. Pet goats, chickens, ponies, and more at Tradewinds Park and Stables Weekend Farm Tour. Or step inside the Country House Museum for a glimpse into the park's past. Either way, you're guaranteed a good time. The tour starts at 11:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. The cost is $3 per person. Enjoy your weekends. If you have fun, share a pic with us under the hashtag Broward Parks on all social media sites.